Shubor naga Khlem Jong nong Saiñ Hima.
Ke nong Ïakren Jong ke Sorkar ke badairu ke menteri ke tanat ke koj ke kia ke Dr. Miej Amprin Lingdo Ïakren berkilat pathai khubor ha office Jong ke NPP mentak sengi ke pratrik ukla lingkot arajar arpusau kala ong baka seng ke don la ke Jong ke jing sengutu ban le ya ke kam Henry kum ke Sorkar pat kala pensyai bat ban Ïakren yiki mat bat ki Jingeh Khlem da Pynthut ya ka lek kawan Jong babun balang nang ta ke suk Saiñ badru ya ka kam Jong ke Sorkar namar kumbalatip ba ubenai kela lingkot udai ubenai ubabun kam ya ke Sorkar ha ke baki don bun ki kam ki baka hab ban pendap hau ne ubenai ke Presiden Jong ke ri ke Draupadi Murmu kan wan ban yuk kejat syaka jela bat kiwei di ki kam ki bakum ke jela kan sakhi bat kermen bah pedeng kini ki kanam don ke jing pen I ya ke jing shisha ki bamdei bat kum baka Sorkar kala batai bat trei nadu menshua hadu menta kalong ka thong ban ya trei lang kawei kala benrap syusuk de ka baong bawat la kimi ki Jingeh bat ki jing duna henrei yikini ki ke Sorkar ka thrang ban ya kren ha ka Miej Khlem da Pynthut ya ka suk ka Saiñ bat ka kam ka jam Jong ki breu hagaju ka por ka kong amprin kala ong ru ba mentau snem arajar arpusau udai usnem ubakari kan penkre ye ke election MP bat ki sengsan perthai ba pher ki don la ki Jong ki benta ban pendep bat kermen ba ki ki ba Ïakren kum ka Sorkar ru halor ki jing shisha kin long ki ba yai renti
that political parties have the freedom and the will to do as they so wish. Government is not privy to their matters and has no insight into their understanding of matters. But government is clear on one thing. As political parties, you have your own understanding of things. But as a government, we have clarified, and this is a democracy. Matters can be debated, matters can be discussed without creating unnecessary tension, disrupting the peace of the state, disrupting the everyday working of this government. January is an important month for us. We have several activities lined up. We await the visit of the Honorable President of this great nation, who will be visiting as a state visitor to the state of Meghalaya. We have the NEC meeting that is also scheduled this month. We also have the Republic Day celebrations which are also happening this month. We hope that within the parameters of democracy, there shall be no one-sided, lopsided presentation of facts which are not true. We have explained ourselves with the hope that as governments work in the past, today and tomorrow, we work together. Errors that occur at the time of discharging of our duties may occur. We discuss, we talk across the table without disrupting the lives of people. I do not understand the interpretation of the word movement. We are now also in election year. Very likely all political parties will be preparing their own agendas for the upcoming MP elections. And I hope that as a government, we too have our space. Everybody has a space. We hope that everything that is discussed within context and within relevance of fact, not aberrations of a fact.
A lot of development under the leadership of Sri Conrad Sangma as the Chief Minister. Even now in the present MDA 2.0 government, the last 10 months have been months of activities, we have seen a lot of development happening. We have seen a lot of poverty elevation programs that have been launched. You could see road and connectivity been taken up in a very, very large scale. And therefore, lots of works are to be done in the coming 5 years. We have full faith that under the leadership of Sri Konrad Sangma and his team in the government, definitely we have the people as the priority, be it the education sector, be it the health sector, be it the agriculture sector. In every sphere of life, the people of the state are going to witness and are going to taste development in the days to come. Therefore, while such accusations come of corruption, my only appeal is on behalf of the party that the parties concerned who come with such kind of allegations should be specific, should come with logical conclusions and with complaints related to any officials or any public leader who may have corrupted, and therefore action will be taken. The Honorable Chief Minister has always been very, very clear on this line that if the facts are brought to the table, then definitely the law will take its own course. So this is how I would like to reiterate the statement made by the Honorable Chief Minister. And like Madam Ampreen just mentioned, this government will work for the people and bring development and all-round development in the state.